Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn to Earn Minds. Today we're diving into the world of AI-powered creativity with a focus on open art AI. If you're a fan of art or design or just love exploring new technology, you're in the right place. So, let's start. The first step is to open the browser and type openart.ai. The interface will be open. Click on Start Creating Now. Now click on Sign In. Sign in with your Google account. Choose your account. Click on Continue. There will be some windows open. You must click Next on every window. Click on Done. OpenArt's interface looks like this. There are so many featured apps to choose from. Some of them are free, while others are paid. You can train your own model here. It is also possible to see what others are creating. Plans can be viewed by clicking View Plan. Currently, we are using a free plan. The plans can be viewed by stopping the video. Next, we will click Create Image and enter our prompt. I will enter a teddy bear in a suit. The program has generated 2 images for us, as you can see. I will now add and run and see what happens. As you can see, it has generated an image based on our prompt. I will now add wearing glasses and click on Create. You can see how it turned out. There are some options you can choose from if you want to modify your image. I can edit this picture by clicking Edit. And a window will appear. If you want to change background, click on Background. You can remove or change the background of your image here. By clicking on Change Background, I will change the background. It will open in a new window. Here I need to write a prompt to change the background. I'll write a busy road. Click on the Create button. As you can see, the background has been transformed beautifully. If I want to expand my picture, I will click on Expand. We can change width and height as we wish. Click on Create. You can see it has expanded our picture. Here is an area where we can add a prompt. Here are 2 teddy bears that I will write. Click on Create. One more bear has been added to the picture, as you can see. You can remove anything by clicking here if you want to do so. It is necessary to color the object you wish to remove. Click on Remove Area. The colored area has been removed, as you can see. Download the image by clicking here. So there you have it, an introduction to OpenArt AI, a fantastic tool for both beginners and experienced artists alike. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Learn to Earn Minds, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've used OpenArt AI before. I'd love to hear about your experiences.